World Ranking Season 2 in Rome Golden Age is ending soon, and if you participated in the rankings, you might be getting some big rewards very soon. But that's not all. World Ranking Season 3 is also about to start, bringing another chance for players to earn Wii-Mix, Cross, and other rewards just by playing the game. So in this video, I'll quickly go over when Season 2 ends, when rewards will be sent, and how Season 3 works so you don't miss out. So, let's get into it. First, let's talk about Season 2 ending. World Ranking Season 2 will officially end on April 1st at 8 o'clock UTC plus 8. Once the season ends, rewards will start being sent out 3 hours later, beginning at 11 o'clock UTC plus 8 through the in-game mail system. So if you competed in the rankings, keep an eye on your mailbox because your reward could arrive anytime after that. And who knows, maybe you rank higher than you expected. Right after Season 2 ends, Season 3 begins immediately. Season 3 will run from April 1 at 8 o'clock UTC plus 8 until May 1. But before the official ranking starts, there will be a pre-season period. The pre-season runs from April 1 to April 8. Here's something important to know. During the pre-season, you can still earn reputation points, but the leaderboard will not be visible yet. That means player can actually start collecting points early before the ranking appear, which could give them a small advantage once the season officially begins. Now let's talk about what everyone is really interested in, the rewards. Players who place in the ranking can earn Wii-Mix, Cross, Crystal Core, and T-Dia rewards, depending on their final rank. For example, the rank 1 player can receive 12,500 Wii-Mix and 1.2 million Cross. Even if you don't reach the top ranks, players all the way up to rank 200 will still receive rewards. So there's still a reason to compete even if you're not aiming for first place. There are also point achievement rewards, which are separate from ranking rewards. This means you can still earn prizes just by collecting enough points during the season. For example, reaching certain point milestones will give players costume and guardian summon rewards. As you reach higher point brackets, the reward improve and can even include phantom and brilliant phantom rewards. So even casual players who simply play the game regularly can still earn some valuable rewards. There is also a point reward system connected to cross rewards. Players who reach certain point milestones will receive T-Dia rewards with a total reward pool that can reach 1 million T-Dia. Each milestones give rewards to players who reach that bracket. Although there are individual limits per player, if some reward remain unused due to those limits, they will be added to future reward pools. So overall, World Ranking Season 3 give players several ways to earn rewards, through rankings, point milestone, and participation throughout the season. And remember, the pre-season starts on April 1, which means you can start earning points right away before the ranking even appears. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Rome Golden Age updates, guides, and gameplay content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.